Bullish smooth love mixture cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents by 2030. Market experts accept SLP could reach $0 2025. Bearish smooth love elixir market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Smooth love elixir presentation. With regards to play to procure games, Axie endlessness captures everyone's attention. As the primary NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to acquire on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, however it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT blast. Axie Endlessness was the previous summer's star convention, topping it close to a portion of 1 million day-to-day dynamic clients. Axie Endlessness is an NFT-supported play-to-acquire blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its environment, Smooth Love Elixirs and Axie Vastness Shards. Essentially, SLPS are procured by playing the game. In the interim, Axe is an administration token that enables holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository finances spending. Before we assess on the off chance that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll meticulously describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie Endlessness environment. Likewise, we will cover the elements influencing the cost of SLP and what's to come plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie Endlessness? Axie Boundlessness advocate the play-to-procure interactivity model wherein players are compensated by just investing energy playing the game. Moreover, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, procure from it, or use it for interactivity. This isolates Axie Boundlessness from the vast majority of the present conventional close-circled games, where advanced things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the boundary dissection was too high on the grounds that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was galactic. In the interim, there are financial backers and business people who can without much of a stretch shell out the assets expected to purchase axies, however don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole pushed the grant and organization programs. Through an Axie grant, the administrator or society purchases or gives the 3 axies that the player will use to play the game and acquire SLP. They accept all the gamble to loan 3 axies to the new player. In return, they procure a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to procure and Axie Endlessness permit their backers to receive a portion of the benefit. Axie Boundlessness utilizes MMR or matchmaking rating. MMR is utilized to decide a player's in-game expertise level to put them against rivals of a generally equivalent ability level. The greater part of the Axie populace dwells inside the relaxed level. As a result, players saw decreased income from every single game mode. Past everyday midpoints were around 200 SLP, however seeming to be normal will presently be more like 100-120. Besides, in the 20th season, sub-800 MMR players will just acquire 1 SLP per win. Smooth Love Mixture is presently worth $0. SLP has moved 2.19% as of now with an exchanging volume of $9,226,639. Smooth Love Mixture is presently positioned 256 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $107,303,188 USD. Right now, Sky Mavis is in the middle of restoring its picture and tending to the hack that tormented its framework and thus, Axie limitlessness. It is presently offering a bug abundance to recognize any weaknesses in its shrewd agreements or web-related frameworks. Likewise, white-cap programmers will get somewhere in the range of $1,000 and $1 relying upon the seriousness of every weakness found. In the meantime, bugs in the application or web connection points will be compensated with $50, $15,000. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Smooth Love Mixture market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2023 Smooth Love Mixture, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The SLP cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Smooth Love Elixir SLP Cost Forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the SLP's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Smooth love mixture value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. SLP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Smooth love elixir value expectation 2026. On the off chance that smooth love mixture effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Smooth love mixture value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2027, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SLP has a greatest value worth of 1 cent. Smooth love elixir value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. In the event that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to accumulate the help SLP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Smooth love mixture value expectation 2029. While SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 1 cent and a yearly cost close above 1 cent in 2029. Smooth love elixir value forecast 2030. By 2030, smooth love mixture will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 2 cents, averaging out at 2 cents. Smooth love mixture value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest SLP cost in 2031 is projected to be 2 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. What is the smooth love elixir cost today? Today, smooth love mixture is exchanging at $0, an all-out market capitalization of $107,303,188. Is smooth love mixture a wise speculation? Smooth love mixture ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is shrewd to say that SLP is a decent decision of speculation. How high can smooth adore mixture go? The typical cost of smooth love elixir might potentially reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years,